Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the bike and getting direct access to the decal area. Remove the seat and underseat tray now so you can reach screws and clips. This prevents stretching or tearing the decals. Use a plastic trim tool to gently pry clips and a 4mm hex or Phillips to remove screws. Once the panels are loose, keep fasteners in a labeled container. This saves time when reinstalling and helps you avoid mismatched bolts later. You now remove the old decal by heating the adhesive to soften it. Hold the heat source about 15 to 20 cm away and move continuously to prevent paint damage. Once warm, lift an edge and peel at a steady 45 degrees angle. Slow, controlled motion reduces tearing. If residue remains, apply an adhesive remover and wipe with a microfiber cloth. Then clean with isopropyl alcohol. Make sure the surface is You position the new decal using a low-tack tape hinge to lock alignment, so you get one shot at a perfect placement. Peel backing gradually, applying the decal and squeegeeing from the center outward to expel air and any moisture. This ensures adhesion and prevents bubbles. Trim excess if needed, then let it set for 24 hours before washing. If edges lift later, press with heat briefly. If persistent lifting or bubbling occurs, remove and reapply after full adhesive removal. This fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.